Okay, so like I said, we got this John Deere 7200 in the shop here. We got us. Well, I'm not going to reveal just what we have yet, but we'll just we won't even. Okay, we'll tell you what we have here, but we don't. We're not going to tell you what they cost. Okay. We have here some more LED lights. Why these are TL8400? I don't know. But these are Tiger lights. Okay. You can see right there. These do have the rubber ball, or the ball right there. So that way these can go right into that cab where they need to be. Now, I don't know which ones we're going to replace it with, but we will figure out which ones need replacing in just a little bit. So it is this one over here. The bulb has went out the door. It is not even shining in the lens no more. Why? We don't know. Okay? Probably just fell out. And some bad things have happened to the ones upstairs. Do they work? Well, they seem to. Yep, both of them work upstairs. The two in the back, they are shining ever so brightly. Okay? And if those go bad up there, then we will put LED lights up there. Okay? Same with these down here. If these go bad, at any point in time, we will be replacing them with the same kind that we have in the back here that are extremely, extremely bright. So, with that being said, we will, I don't know why. That guy there's just kind of hanging out more or less. I do believe, however, that the mounting hardware has went. Okay. And you can see right back of here, on the back side, there's a hole right there where this little guy here clips right in or does something. How it became broken, I have no idea. Okay? So, there's no sense in trying to put this back in. We will just take these out, put them upstairs or somewheres, and see, do our high beams work? That was high beam. So you got high beam there, and then you have high beam for up there. Now the 7810 is backwards. Okay, we'll get into that one in another day, but we need to figure out how to get these lights out of here. I do believe that, yeah, this one here is the same thing. It is just, it is mucho. Oh, that's just a little, nope. That thing did come right out. So, we can't be having that. These are going to come right off of here because, well, like I said, when these go bad, we're going to put the LEDs in them. So we will either start that tonight or do that tomorrow. I haven't decided yet. I don't know if we're going to need to change The mounting bracket, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do this a little bit differently. I'm gonna utilize that cart there that my sweeper was on, just in case any pieces, parts happened to fall off. They would fall into this cart here. I can just put this right up underneath a light and or underneath where I'm working, and hopefully all my hardware will, I can just set my hardware right there. Okay. I almost feel like 5/16 is way too small, but it's, yeah, that's a little too small. I don't know. Yeah, 10mm socket. Metric is what takes them apart. Right, Mike?
Yes, sir.
Got that right, buddy.
Usually 10mm fits everything.
Got that right. Okay, so animals are all hungry. Smack the window. Let's let that one loose, because I'm not ready for that one yet. I know, right? Go get him. Go get him. Go show him who's boss. Are you afraid of a rooster?
No, I just don't scratched by that dumb thing right now.
Hey, Mike, can you do me a favor?
What's that, though?
Get me a 3/4 extension, please.
3/4 extension?
That fits this.
Was that 3/8?
Yeah. Or what'd I say?
3/4.
Darn it! Well, that came off.
Went the wrong way.
You went the wrong way. Why did you go the wrong way?
Was that 1/4 inch or you got 3/8 socket? Right. The little one?
Whatever size that metric 10 come out of. Oh, you know what? Never mind. Forget it.
Okay.
Forget it.
All the extensions at anyway?
What's that?
Where the hell's all the extensions at anyway?
In the toolbox.
They're over here. Over there.
Ah.
No.
Oh shit. Where'd that washer go?
Something hit the ground. Is it a big one?
See.
It's right behind your left heel. There it is.
I need to figure out. Ow. I can't turn. Ow. Arg.
What is this? Ow.
Ow.
What?
I can't turn my wrist. Look at that. I can't. I'm stuck.
He's stuck. Oh,
I'm
no.
stuck. Oh, man.
Is that like on, what's that, Christmas movie?
Yeah.
His tongue stuck to the thing?
Yeah. Maybe you can get at it better than I can. I know, right? I'm stuck. Did you get it?
All you gotta do is change the bulb.
Oh, well, we're changing the whole picture because those are LEDs.
All you gotta do. Fancy updated shit.
Did you find my washer?
Yeah. Boy.
You found my washer.
Where's your washer?
There's my washer. So.
Where's your, oh, you fancy things.
I know.
Are they gonna match up?
I don't know. I don't know if they will or not.
Don't scratch.
Hmm. They look a little bit bigger, don't they?
Damn, them's heavy.
I know, right?
No, it's an all metal case. No, they're same size.
Same size?
Same size.
Same size.
See? Same size.
Same size.
Man, them bad boys are heavy.
I know, right? I think we might have to end up changing the mounted bracket. Because... What'd you drop?
I dropped the
Uh-oh.
pivot socket.
Darn it, Mike.
I got it.
Where'd it go? Way up here, way up here. Why'd he go way up there? We're working back here.
I don't know. It decided to go someplace on its own.
So that's kind of got the same thing.
That's right. This just came off of that.
Right.
But how is... What, was it up there like that?
Yeah, you can,
Was
the other one's still attached if you don't look at it for a reference.
This, oh, it's got, okay, it's got a dual mount.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Oh, that's freaking cool.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that. Huh.
So you gotta use all those parts, you see.
I guess. I guess that would go...
Thing is, how, you got it?
Yeah. This didn't get broken, did it?
No, here's the other half right here.
So it goes like
It
that.
just pops on. And that pops on.
How does that make a corner?
See, that's not sticking out as far as this one was.
No.
Let me see something here.
And you can't just use the halves. Somehow we done that 7800. I don't remember how Dad did that 7800.
Yeah.
Let's just let it alone for him.
You might have to use the top mount. Cause see, this will match up to the top.
And mount it sideways?
I don't know how you took it apart, but that's how that goes on there, so that it can pivot.
Or unless...
But see, there's not enough room for it.
Unless we hang them...
Now you're gonna have to hang them from that.
Because that's the only way that you're gonna...
Get these pieces to fit.
Yeah.
Is on this mount here.
Right.
Because that one's not sticking out far enough to get those two pieces on.
Right.
Alright, carry on.
Bye-bye.
See you in the morning.
I mean, that's the only way I can figure out that they'd have to go. I don't know. I just have to wait for Dad, because I don't know where the bracket is that he's going to have to change or do anything like that. I just thought you could reuse the old stuff, but apparently that is no mucho answer. How was this one? Oh, this one come off the side and then it... Oh, I see. So that's different. Little nut there, we can't lose that. Where was the bolt? Ah. Shoot, just kind of trying to organize myself here. Oh. So I'm curious, did they give us any bracketry or anything? No. Darn it. That's so I was doing some things in the cab, some cleaning, and I broke a little piece of plastic that goes on the bottom of the seat. So I noticed, hey, the other side has a zip screw and a washer. Okay. Now, it's too bad I can't set you guys up in here. You can watch me put this piece of plastic back in this cab, but that is what I broke. Okay, and it goes right there, and it matches with this other side here. Okay, And it goes right there, and the washer is gonna go on this zip screw just like that. I'm gonna hold that piece up there, do one side at a time, and it's gonna hold that plastic piece inside right where it needs to go, under the seat. Well, it's the next morning, and we have the LED lights all installed on this tractor. We had to do a little different kind of mounting hardware. We had to just take parts off the old hardware off the lights to put on these to make them fit. And now they are working just like they should. So they are nice and bright. So you wouldn't believe it, but they are nice and bright. There's the high beams like I demonstrated last night with the old wore out candle lights. But you need light to see what you're doing, and what better way to replace wore out, tired, burned out halogen lights than with Tiger LED lights. So this tractor is ready to go to work. Like I said in yesterday's video, we're gonna change lights out as they burn out. Okay, we're not gonna put the wore out candle lights back in it. We're gonna put some high definition lights in these tractors as they wear out. It's the only way to go anymore is with high visibility lighting, and what better way to than with Tiger 40 watt tractor work lights. So we will I guess see what the rest of the day brings. I don't script these videos. I don't want to, don't need to, don't like to. Just whatever comes.